The National President of the National People's Party (NPP) and Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma responded to the offer of support from the BJP to the NPP candidates for the Shillong and Tura Parliamentary seats, stating that the decision was made collectively by all parties within the National Democratic Alliance, which is led by the BJP. Speaking to reporters on the 23rd of March 2024, Conrad Sangma disclosed that the BJP had also pledged support to the NPF in Outer Manipur constituency and the Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party in Nagaland. Additionally, various other political parties are extending support to the BJP parliamentary seats in Arunachal Pradesh and elsewhere. In Meghalaya, the NPP is mobilizing its efforts without presuming anything, striving for victory in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Conrad Sangma also emphasized that the BJP's support to both the Shillong and Tura candidates would serve as an advantage factor.
Yes, there is a very strong understanding between the NDA partners, especially in this election. And there has been a very good communication amongst all the NDA partners. And hence, there is a consensus from all the NDA partners that to the maximum extent possible, we should all try and support the NDA candidature in every specific constituency. For example, there is the NDA candidate is the NDPP candidate in the state of Nagaland. And therefore, what should be the BJP stand for that? What should be the NPP stand? NPP has 5 MLAs there. Similarly, other political parties are there. So like that, there is a strong move towards creating a more consensus towards support to the NDA candidate. Could be sponsored by a specific political party. Say in Meghalaya it happens to be NPP, in Nagaland it happens to be NDPP, in Outer Manipur it happens to be NPF, and Arunachal happens to be BJP. So like that, there will be a kind of a movement, and there is a movement towards that. And therefore, I am going to Nagaland on Monday, and I will be meeting the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, along with my party leaders and my MLAs, to discuss about the matters. Similarly, our leader and General Secretary, Mr. James Sangma, is right now in Arunachal Pradesh, discussing the similar matters, and also discussing about the assembly elections there. Similarly, I had met my Manipur leaders that had come to Shillong, and we had a meeting in the morning for almost an hour to discuss these matters. So like that, there's a very strong consensus, and we are moving towards ensuring that NDA candidates are supported. Sir, 2 things. Number one, I don't ever believe that we are in the driving seat, or I don't like to think like that. Or we don't try to be overconfident in elections. I have mentioned it every time in every election, you must have noticed. So I don't take anything lightly. Every election is a difficult election, and every election is different. We have to work hard in Tura also. We cannot take things for granted, and we will not take things for granted. Number 2, coming to the Shillong seat, we are working very hard out here. We are very, very thankful to all the political parties that are extending their support to us, whether we are getting support now from the BJP, whether we got specific support from the TMC in the Nong Thomai constituency, and maybe outside Nong Thomai constituency also, there could be TMC leaders who will support the NPP. So like that, we're getting support from everybody, so we're thankful for that. But still, there's a lot of work to be done. We have to really reach out, and we have to connect with the people and campaign for our candidates. So all that work is on, and let's hope for the best. No, every support is a good thing. We are every organization has their base, every organization has their voters, and obviously the support of any individual or any political party coming and supporting us is a positive thing. So therefore, every drop adds to the ocean, as they call it, and therefore we are very happy